I've just started a new project, and one of my bobbins has um, got the thread caught around it. So, as you can see, when I unwind it towards myself, it doesn't unwind. So, I'm going to use this as an opportunity to show you how I deal with this. First of all, I always put my half hitch on my actual bobbin here, not around this bit, because I find that always jumps off. But that then leads to this issue occasionally. So the first protocol is to see if you can actually get your Lazy Susan. I always use my Lazy Susan, not a pin, because it's a blunt end and you're not likely to shred your thread. And I will try and lift the knot over the top of my bobbin, but I'm not trying very hard because I want to show you the other method that I use. So it's not working. But what I do have are all these little loops here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly unwind them and just keep lifting them off. And what this will do is eventually, because what happens with this thread is it actually gets caught underneath all the threads. And eventually you will reach a point where you can actually pull that knot over your bobbin, over the top of your bobbin. Now this is a point where you want to be really, really careful. Don't pull it really hard, because in theory you shouldn't actually have a knot on this thread, but there might be the odd occasion when you do. But in theory, because you've been lifting the loops over the top of your bobbin, it should come out straight like that. And so then it's just a matter of winding the thread back onto your bobbin, and then you want to do your half hitch. So I use my middle finger underneath the thread, pull your finger towards you, and then that loop gets popped on your bobbin like that. And if you this is a right-handed half hitch. If you've done it correctly, if you turn your bobbin with the spangle on the right, it will unwind.